In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a chart to a Salesforce Lightning report. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect so you can quickly visualize your data right inside your report. First, head over to the Reports tab in Salesforce Lightning. If you don't see the Reports tab in your navigation bar, that's okay. Click the small pencil icon at the top right of the navigation bar to edit it. From there, you can add the Reports tab so it's easy to access in the future. This quick tweak saves time and keeps your reporting tools just one click away. Once you're on the Reports tab, open the specific report where you want to add a chart. You can select it from your list of recent or favorite reports. Choose the report that contains the data you want to visualize. Keep in mind, you're not creating a new report here. You're simply enhancing an existing one with a chart. A quick note before we add the chart. Not every report type in Salesforce supports charts. If you don't see the chart option in the next step, it could be due to the report type you're using. In that case, switch to a report that supports charting when you're ready, or confirm with your admin which types are chart-enabled in your org. With your report open, look to the top right and click Add Chart. This button is easy to spot in the report interface, and clicking it tells Salesforce to create a visual representation of the data you're currently viewing. If your report has data available, a chart will appear automatically. You'll see a default visualization pop into place, reflecting the rows that match your filters. If you don't see a chart appear, it usually means the report is returning no records based on the current filters or date range. Try adjusting the filters so the report shows results, and then the chart will display. Also remember that charts reflect the data as it is in the report, so if you change filters or refresh the report, the chart updates accordingly. And that's it. You've added a chart to your Salesforce Lightning report. This simple step turns raw rows into a quick visual snapshot that you and your team can understand at a glance, making status checks and decisions faster. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, go ahead and add charts to your key reports so your insights stand out immediately.